Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we'll be diving into the semiconductor industry in the Philippines, specifically tailored for engineers like you. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the semiconductor industry in the Philippines, let's start with the basics. Semiconductors are materials that fall between conductors, like copper, and insulators, like rubber. They play a vital role in our everyday electronic devices, from smartphones to cars. The Philippines has become a major player in the semiconductor industry, attracting global investors and contributing significantly to the economy. One of the main reasons for this success is the country's highly skilled workforce. Filipino engineers are known for their technical expertise and dedication, making them an invaluable asset to the industry. Furthermore, the Philippine government provides strong support to the semiconductor industry. They have implemented policies and incentives, such as tax breaks and streamlined business processes, to attract local and foreign companies to invest in the country. The Philippines is home to world-class semiconductor manufacturers. These facilities boast state-of-the-art factories equipped with the latest technology. They produce a wide range of semiconductor products, including integrated circuits, microchips, and sensors. To encourage collaboration and innovation, the Philippines has established semiconductor clusters. These clusters bring together companies, research institutions, and educational centers in specific regions. They create an ecosystem that fosters research and development, ensuring the country remains at the forefront of the industry. The semiconductor clusters provide engineers with exciting opportunities. From design and fabrication to testing and quality control, engineers have a variety of career paths to choose from. The industry's rapid growth offers a wealth of job prospects for skilled professionals. If you're aspiring to work in the semiconductor industry, it's important to equip yourself with the necessary knowledge and skills. Pursuing a degree in engineering or a related field is a great starting point. Additionally, there are training programs and certifications available that can enhance your expertise in semiconductor technology. Continuous learning is key in this ever-evolving industry. Stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and innovations by attending seminars, workshops, and conferences. Networking with industry professionals can also open doors to new opportunities. To sum it up, the semiconductor industry in the Philippines offers a vibrant and promising landscape for engineers. With a skilled workforce, government support, world-class facilities, and ample career opportunities, it's an exciting field to be a part of. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until next time, happy engineering!